If your thermostat is acting all weird and not reading the room temperature right, it's probably sitting in the wrong spot. You gotta make sure your thermostat isn't chilling near heat sources like direct sunlight, lamps, or even your television because that messes with the sensor. Same goes for cold spots, like right next to a drafty window or an air vent blowing chilly air. Try to put it on a wall that gets good airflow but isn't directly hit by any heat or cold blasts. Also, keep it away from kitchens or bathrooms where steam and cooking heat can confuse it. If your thermostat is on an exterior wall, it can give you wonky readings too, so moving it to an interior wall is usually better. Make sure it's about 5 feet off the ground so it's not stuck near floor level cold or heat. Lastly, don't cover it up with furniture or curtains because that blocks the airflow and makes it freak out. One of the biggest thermostat mistakes is placing it near heat or cold sources, which totally throws off room temperature readings. Fix this by relocating it to a neutral spot. Another common issue is putting the thermostat too low or too high on the wall. Keeping it around 5 feet up helps get more accurate data. A third frequent problem is blocking the thermostat with furniture or curtains, which traps air and makes temperature sensing unreliable. Just clear the space around it to let it breathe. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to find work and grow their business by reaching people who really need their skills.